What's up traders, welcome to live trading session. So in this video I will be doing a complete A to Z multi-time frame analysis and I will be trading live with you in this video. I will be showing how I analyze the chart, how I am trading. I will put my real money in trading. So if you are watching this video, you can watch till the end to see how I am trading, how I make my trading decision, how to analyze the chart, how not to trade or how to trade. So if you are new to the channel, my name is Nizam. I am a full-time trader, author as well as founder of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. I am Forex Wizard, the wizardry, including live trading session like this one, educational videos, strategies that you will find in this channel will change the way you trade completely. So make sure you subscribe, press that bell notification so that you don't miss out like this one live trading session, as well as you can follow me on Instagram forex.wizard2021. With that being said, let's start first one. So first of all, AUD NZD, this one is hot now. There is a lot of opportunity coming up on this one. As you can see, I have analyzed already a separate analysis you can watch in this channel. What I said, AUD NZD is doing exactly the way. Let's start from monthly time frame to see a clear bigger picture. Now AUD NZD looks like change its uptrend to the downtrend. Now first of all, see the bigger picture. Always remember, if you want to trade anything, don't just 5 minutes 15 minutes trading without any direction. First of all, you need to see overall picture to see a clear direction in the market. Now AUD NZD, what you see that monthly time frame, it's in a overall historically in a downtrend. You see this is an overall downtrending market. Now let's see this trend line here. You see this is a clearly visible trend line on the monthly. Now from this trend line we see AUD NZD bounced. You see back to back 3 points we can connect to draw this trend line. Now from this trend line AUD NZD bounce and we can expect this one to drop further at least to this level, so which is a significant trading opportunity based on monthly time frame. Let's go to the weekly time frame to see how we can find a trading opportunity. Now on the weekly, as you see that this instrument created this trend line based on weekly time frame, and we see the same trend line as the monthly is now on the weekly, and previous week we see a pin bar. Now from this kind of trend line, if you see a pin bar, you can expect couple of candles to drop to the downside. So on the weekly as well we see a change of trend in AUD and ZD. Let's see on the daily how we can find a trading opportunity. Now daily, the price went up today to this level, tested this important level of resistance. So this is a resistance here, and as I mentioned in my previous analysis, what I say that AUD NZD is likely to create a possible head and shoulder and likely to drop, and the price is doing exactly as it is. So what is the trading opportunity now based on 4 hour? As you see that already AUD NZD is dropping and we see a strong push to the downside. Okay, so where is the best position to trade for me is I will be going short from here on the close of this 4 hour candle. I will place my pending order along this doji, so the price is likely to come up again to test. So I will put my pending order. Let me grab the short tool. So this is where I will be entering this trade, keeping my stop loss above this daily, and I will target at least the first target will be 1 to 2, and as soon as I will find my profit, I might close half and might continue the rest one with trailing stop loss. So this is the plan for AUD NZD. This is a high probability trade setup. Now if you find value in this analysis and trade setup, smash the like button for me now. And also let's jump on to another one, which is GBP AUD. Now GBP AUD, after a back to back quite a few consolidation, we see a breakout to the downside. Let's see on the first of all higher time frame on the monthly. As usual, monthly time frame, now GBP AUD looks like after this previous month's strong bullish candle, this month we see that GBP AUD is dropping, and we can expect at least to this very important level of support. Why it is an important level of support? You see back to back how many 4-5 monthly candle closed and opened in this zone. So the price will come here and likely to have a bounce from here. So let's see on the weekly time frame how we can find a trading opportunity. Now as this is a support here, so we can expect, as you see, that GBP AUD has now broken all these monthly support zone. So from here we could see possibly at least to this level of support. So we still have a move to take to the downside. See daily how we can see this trading. Now daily, as you see that back to back two dodges. Now after these dodges, as usual, we see a breakout to the downside. Now what will be our approach? Now as you see the daily time frame, we see a possible, not possible, exactly a double top formation here. So when you see a double top, you can expect the price to go up and test this support as a resistance before pushing another to the downside. So GBP AUD, we could see possibly a rise, and then we'll take short. I'll take short from here if it rises up. So what is the my entry point on GBP AUD? Let me draw the support line here. So this is a very strong level of support on the 4-hour time frame. As you see that the price acted here as a support here, and so support here. Now as you see the price broke to the downside, we could possibly see tomorrow a retracement to the upside. When the price will retrace to this level, this will be my entry point on the retracement, and I'll take with our student, I'll take a short from here, and I'll keep my stop loss above this high. So this is the plan for GBP AUD. As you see that it has broken to the downside again, it is not good idea to take a short or long anything, because highly likely the price will go here, test this support as resistance, and that is the proper way to enter a trade when the price will go to a very high area of value. At the same time, it is likely that it will test this trend line, and which we could see at the same time testing the trend line as well as testing the support as resistance. So this is the GBP AUD. Gold now looks like dropping. Now what is likely to happen with the gold? Let's see full breakdown, and I will show you my entry point where the gold is likely is doing. Now gold monthly, what you see, primarily the price came to this monthly resistance. So you see that there is a resistance here on the monthly, back to back 2 monthly opening and close. Now we see from the same zone primarily a reaction to the downside. It doesn't mean that it will go down again, it doesn't mean that it will go up again. Let's see other time frame confirmation how we can find a trading opportunity on this one day weekly. Now 3 days to go. It look like primarily the price is coming down now on the weekly as well. The weekly candle is still not close, and we don't know what to do. But as you can see that this instrument, this gold, is primarily in an uptrend. How do you know? If you see low of this, you see there is a smooth creating a series of higher low, and started to move up. So this is basically a strong up move. Let's see on the daily how we can see this move. Now as still the price action is bullish on gold. What you saw, that there are back to back 2 dodges here and created a series of higher lows. So it is not unusual to see that gold is again pushing to the upside, or we could possibly see a head and shoulder from here to push to the downside. So my approach on gold is basically, if I only see that now at this point there is nothing to trade on gold, okay, trading is gambling at this point because we don't have any confluence. So what is the best way to trade on gold? So what I will be doing is, you see there is a long wick candle. If gold is reversed from here, we highly likely that we will see another candle to the upside a bit lower than this one, so a bit lower than this one, around this zone, we could possibly see a possible head and shoulder and then likely to drop. If gold is dropping, then this is the scenario. In that case, definitely I'll go short. Okay, if I see a candle went up, created a long wick candle, a head and shoulder, if I see, then I'll go short with gold. On the other hand, if I see that gold is creating that smaller candle, creating a series of higher low and slowly pushing to the upside, not creating a head and shoulder, instead creating a pattern like this, then I will go long with gold. So these are the two possible scenario I'll consider on gold. So this is the plan for the gold. Dollar yen is going exactly the same way I have mentioned in quite a few of my analysis and trade setup video. Let's see, first of all, bigger picture, monthly as usual. Now dollar yen, what we are seeing that monthly time frame basically rejected on this monthly resistance and came back down. So from this monthly we see a drop, so we could see further drop, but realize that dollar yen basically in an uptrending market. You see, this is a strongly uptrending market, so at some point we could see possibly uprise, but still dollar yen bearish for this month. Okay, for this week, let's see on the weekly time frame how we can see this move. Now on the weekly, you can see my weekly forex forecast video. I will link below the description here also. This is doing exactly what it is. That's what I say in my forex forecast, weekly forex forecast. What I said, after this bearish candle, the next one is likely to drop, and exactly this is what's happening. Okay, so we see drop, but finally we could see an uprise because it's an uptrending market. As I told you, daily how it is doing, see, daily when the price this candle formed, I mentioned in my forex forecast video that this is the one is likely to drop. Now this is what happened exactly. The previous one dropped to the downside. Now at this point, what is likely to happen? See, this one is still not pushing to the upside. As you see the daily time frame, we see a head and shoulder on dollar yen, so we could see possibly deep down, deep retracement. At the same time, dollar yen has created a lower high in this double top formation. So dollar yen, what is likely to happen? You see daily 20 period moving average, highly likely that the price will travel to this zone, daily close, and test this daily opening and close, test this 20 period moving average today at some point, and then possibly likely to drop. If not today, maybe tomorrow, dollar yen is likely to test this 20 period moving average, and we could see another push. So this is where is my entry is on the daily 20 period moving average. In that zone, what you see on the 4 hour, there are two back-to-back doji. So I'll put my entry in this pending order with our student. I'll place my pending up short order, and I'll keep my stop loss above this daily high, and I will target at least to this level, so which could give me at least 1 to 3 or more risk reward ratio. So this is the dollar yen likely to happen. Let's see AUD JPY. Now JPY pair, I'm not taking two trade, so let's remove AUD JPY, as I have seen already a trade on dollar yen. So I will remove AUD JPY. The remaining is NZD USD. Now NZD USD becoming very, very hot because there will be a high impact news release on NZD USD on tomorrow. I think tomorrow, yeah. So this is going to be very, very hot. Let's see how hot it is and if we can eat or drink it. So NZD USD, what's happening here? Look at this one here. Monthly, a big move, and this move just stopped in this important support. This is a historically very, very strong level of support. You see back to back 4-5 candle close. Also there is a monthly doji, and then from here we saw a big uprise, and then the price came down to this monthly level of support. Now as a result, this month we saw an uprise, okay, as usual, an uprise from this level of support. Weekly, what is happening now? Weekly we saw that back to back 4 weeks the price is rising. We could potentially see a big rise on this one, because when you see this kind of pattern, this is a reversal pattern, okay. We could possibly see NZD USD coming to this level before making any downward move. So we have a big move to take to the upside on NZD USD daily, how it is forming the price action. Now today, after this, this shooting star, okay, we saw that the price broke this level down below, grab the liquidity, and we see now potential uprise, okay. So from here we possibly see a big move to the downside, but before that we could see possibly a retracement to the downside, and that is where we will be entering our trade on NZD USD 4 hour. Now this is where I will be entering the trade. Not, it is highly unlikely that it will move like this, okay. NZD USD, what is likely to happen is the price, highly likely that the price will come down to this level, okay, to this level of resistance here, and the price will come here, test this level, this resistance as a support, and will create some kind of a structure, and then will move, okay. So this is what, and until I see this structure, I will not trade based on one bullish candle. It's nonsense. You could possibly see another push boom back down, okay, and then I have to think for going short. That's trading, okay. I'm saying something here, maybe after 4 hours market condition changes, I have to do something different, and that's what you have to do as a trader. That's the character of a trader, not to hesitate, change your mind when market change its mind. Don't keep ego in trading. If you always want to be right, if you are offended when you are wrong, then chances that you lose money, and that's why most traders lose money. So always keep 2 ideas at the same time in your mind and stay comfortable. That's what a trader is, okay. Anytime market could go completely different way. So what is the possibility of trading here? What we will be doing is basically we will be waiting for a test of this resistance as a support. As soon as I see, say for example, the candle came here and then creating a long wick candle, and maybe another one creating a long wick candle, but not crossing the previous one's low and creating a series of higher low, at that point I will go long, from here, okay, keeping my stop loss below this low, and take profit at least 1 to 3 or 5 risk to reward ratio. Now these are the pairs that I will be trading, quite a few pairs. Hopefully you found value in it. Don't forget to leave a comment below what you think about this pair, and what other pair you are thinking that you want to trade, you want my ideas, or you want me to analyze. Make sure you leave this comment, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Thank you.